This is the time to unbox the beast. One wild piece at a time. Now let's talk airflow and aesthetics. Unboxing the Hyte Y70 Touch Infinite Black. A case that's bold, futuristic, and built to flex. As we open it up and prep the inside, it's time to set the stage for cooling perfection. This isn't just airflow. This is an RGB symphony. This case doesn't just hold the build, it showcases the beast. Cooling, we go all in. Unboxing the Thermalright Frozen Vision 360 ARGB Sleek. Solid and built for serious thermal control. As we mount the radiator and lock in the fans, every piece clicks into place with precision. This isn't just a cooler, it's your build's cold-blooded guardian. Unboxing memory that means business. Corsair Vengeance RGB 128GB at 6000 MHz, 4 sticks. Full rage mode. Now locking them in, click by click, loading pure multitasking muscle into the board. This isn't just RAM, it's firepower for the future. And here comes the Titan, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5090 OC 32GB. Unboxing this absolute unit feels like revealing a weapon. Bold lines, massive heat sinks, and that signature TUF armor, built like a tank, engineered for war. We take a closer look. Every curve, every detail screams raw power. No frame drops, no limits, no mercy. This isn't just a GPU, it is a game slayer. And just like that, the arsenal is ready. Unboxed, assembled, unstoppable. This isn't just a PC build, this is a power statement. Your next build starts at Tesla Laptops.